Electric vehicles, EVs, in 2025 face several challenges despite their growing popularity. Battery materials and ethical concerns. EV batteries require rare metals such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Mining these metals poses environmental damage and involves problematic labor practices, including unsafe working conditions and child labor in some regions, like the Democratic Republic of Congo. There are limitations in the availability of these raw materials, which could restrict large-scale EV production in some regions in the near future.
Environmental impact of manufacturing. Manufacturing EVs emits significant greenhouse gases due to mining and refining raw materials and the manufacturing process itself. Although EVs produce no tailpipe emissions, the overall environmental benefit depends on how green the electricity used to charge them is.
High purchase costs. EVs generally cost more upfront compared to internal combustion engine vehicles, mainly due to expensive batteries. This high initial cost discourages many potential buyers.
Limited and inconvenient charging infrastructure. The number of charging stations is still much lower compared to conventional fuel stations, particularly in rural and developing areas. Availability and reliability of public chargers can be poor, with many chargers offline or malfunctioning. Home charging is not an option for everyone, especially those without private parking or living in apartments. Charging times are significantly longer than fueling conventional vehicles, causing inconvenience.
Range anxiety and real-world range limitations. Despite improvements, the driving range of EVs on a single charge is still often less than that of gasoline vehicles. Environmental conditions and usage, for example, cold or hot weather towing, can reduce the effective range, causing anxiety for drivers.